Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Mitsubishi Lancer ES Sedan, stock reference number 5080. This shape runs from the 7th month 2007 through to the 10th month 2015. It has a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light with surround. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left hand side skirt. Left front door has 2 dents. Left rear has 1 large dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Tidy rear bumper cover. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right side skirt. Right rear door has multiple dents. Right front power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black cloth vinyl center console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, left hand sun visor, interior mirror, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.